Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add an admin on your Facebook page. So dive into the main topic. First of all, if you are in your profile, in the main profile, then you need to be switch your profile into the page. So just click over here in your profile icon. Once you click over here, you can see that if you have any page, then you will find out this option in here. Just see all profiles, or you need to be click or here. So even if when you will click over here, they will give you redirect to this page in the page profile or page feed. So once you enter in the feed for the page, you need to be go here and click on setting option. Once you click on setting, they will give you further more option. In here you need to be click on setting. Once you click on the setting, it will redirect you to this interface. This is a panel where you can change anything you want, like name, page details, post, storage, page setup, everything. It is totally allow you to do whatever you want for your page. So now I will find out the option where is the page setup. So that's why I will scroll down, and once I will scroll down, I will finding someone that will be page setup. So in here, audience and visibility section, you will find out page setup option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will open this page setup option. Here you can see we have name option, we have page access option, we have also page management history. So in here you need to be just click on page access. It will be happy to click over here. Once you click over here, you can see we have the option where we can give access to other people, like we have access to give community manager option, moderator option, chat comments option, suspend, like whatever we want to do. We can add an admin, we can remove anyone from that place. So now you need to click on add new. Once you click over here, they will come up a pop-up in your desktop. Just click in the next, and here you need to be search someone by name or profile or email address. So I am going to search a name that will be the .mahin 40. This is my profile, so I already search here. If I did not suggest you, then I will search your whole name in here. MD Al Mahin, this is my profile name, so I will going to search it here, and this way you will get the suggestion here. You can see. So find out your profile, then just add admin here. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you found out this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.